to my daughter's funeral. Which is crazy. Oh my God. Is she being arrested too? She's the one who started the fight. Oh my God. This is crazy. I cannot believe it.
What's going on?
She came here.
Okay, who called? Who called?
She called. What's she called?
Let me speak with the caller. Who's the caller? Okay, come here. Let's go over here.
A photography dispute at a funeral home escalated into a felony battery September 11, 2025.
Come here. Huh? Okay, what's going on?
I came to view my grandbaby, and I was taking some pictures, and the girl in the black, that's with her sister, she did like this. I said,
You want fire rescue for her?
yeah, no.
You want to get checked?
I'm going to have you just get checked out by them.
Okay. So I said, why are you doing that? She said,
She was trying to push you?
no, she hit me. And pulled my wig off.
You were at the
at the foot of the baby, rubbing the baby like this.
right, and someone came up to you and hit
No,
you?
not yet. And I was trying to take a picture, and the girl in black did like this, blocked the picture.
Oh, so she went in front. She put her hand in front of your camera.
Yeah, and
Okay.
because I said to her, "Why are you doing that?" And she said, "Don't you see no picture? No picture." I said, "Whose order is that?" So she says, the mother says, "It's mine." And by the time she said that, I just walked away from them and go around her like this. By the time I got to reach the head of the baby, the black one jumped me. And then the mother came after. And then the other sister came after. But the one who blocked the mother, the one who cut me here, is the one in the black. And the one in the red under here. Yes.
Okay, she's the one that's saying that right now?
Yes.
Okay.
And then the mother scratched me over this
So
side.
the mother scratched you and that girl hit you?
Yes.
Okay.
And the skinny one grabbed my hair and was pulling it off.
Who's the skinny one?
I don't know my glasses. It's another sister. There are two daughters and one mother. One is black, so.
Ma'am, if I may ask, how old are you?
66, 7 years old.
67?
Yes.
Okay, Johnny.
Victim is 67. Florida 748 elevates battery on person 65 plus to a third-degree felony.
And there's the one that hits you?
Two of them, the one in the red and the black.
Red and black? All right.
So the one closest here? Okay.
And the one in the red cut me over,
The one that's using the phone right now?
Yes.
The one in black? And who else? The one in the red? Red?
Yes.
Red and black, okay. Let's detain real quick.
Unfortunately, are you going with her? Yeah, unfortunately you can't. You only have to be there, bro.
It's okay. You're good. You're good.
I know, man, but
Oh, that's okay. She's saying don't create more problems.
right now.
Hey, mom, right here.
How you doing, dear? What's going on?
I just got a couple punches and bruises.
You know how to view it?
Yeah, my grandbaby.
Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's separate. Okay, so real quick, so you walked around black shirt, she punched you in the face, and what happened after that?
Then she give me a couple slap.
So she punched you and then slapped you?
No, she punched me and then she just.
Oh, so she punched you multiple times. So she punched you.
And then once she did that, mother came on the left side, on my right side.
What, red shirt?
Yes, and started beating me in my head.
So red shirt also hit you?
Yeah, scratched me over here.
Okay, let's go over here. So red shirt punched you in the head and scratched you?
Yes.
Okay, so
Scratched me on the right side.
red shirt punched victim in head and scratched her on right side of neck. Okay, after that, what happened?
Well,
After she scratched you in the neck, what happened?
She started hitting me constantly.
So she punched you in the
head.
head.
And then the third one came in. It was a bunch of them. after she keep punching me, it's like her brother came and kind of hold her, and then the other daughter came in and
Punched you again?
I don't remember seeing her punch me. But
Okay, did she
they
do
were
anything?
overturned.
Did she hit you at all?
I didn't identify that.
Okay, so
I didn't identify
so only
that.
the two people hit you.
Yes.
Okay, so red shirt and black shirt hit you.
Yes.
Okay,
Black
got it.
shirt first, red second.
And then so all red shirt did was she punched you in the head how many times?
No. Yeah, in the head.
Yeah, you said she punched you in the head.
A couple of times. It was
Okay.
multiple. Back to back, back to back.
Okay, so-
Then the crowd came in and grabbed them.
Okay, and the
So
crowd
stop it.
separated. Okay, red shirt
Yeah.
punched victim in the head and scratched her on the right side of the neck.
Yes.
And then black shirt punched you multiple times.
Yes, and drag my wig too, and she's the one cut me here. I don't know what she
So
had on
black
her.
shirt grabbed your wig also.
Yes.
Okay, one second. Black shirt grabbed wig and cut you in the face.
Yes, she's the one who cut me in my face.
And cut her in the face.
I
Okay.
don't know what object she used, if it was a finger, or she had something in her hand.
Who are these people to you?
They're my family.
Family.
My-
Okay,
my
you must
son,
say. Okay.
My nephew.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's all that happened? After that, you guys separated?
Yes.
Okay. So just want to make sure I get it. So you guys attended the funeral for a family member. You tried to take a photo. Black clothes said, hey, you can't take a photo. There's a sign there. So she blocked you. So then you tried to go out of the way, right?
Yes.
And then that's when she punched
Walk
you.
out, just walk away from the casket.
And then she
stopped
punched
punching
you,
me.
pulled your hair,
Yeah.
scratched you,
Yeah.
and then red shirt comes,
Yeah,
and
and
she
so-
punches you also multiple
yeah,
times.
the other side.
And then that's when the crowd comes in and separates you guys. Got it. Okay.
No photography rules do not authorize force. Breaking a camera is lawful. Striking the photographer is not.
There's an independent witness. She's not related to anybody here. She's just, I think her sister is the caregiver of her mother, so she's not related to anybody. She says she stated she saw these the head scars.
I didn't get a chance to talk to you. So what happened? Why were police called?
We were here since 4 o'clock. My sister passed away, and we were here since 4 o'clock. Everybody in. We had one rule: nobody take pictures. We don't want nobody taking pictures of her. So me and my older sister, we were up there, and I was like crying with her, holding her. The grandmother came come up. She just got here, probably like 45 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. She walks up to us with her phone taking pictures. So I'm blocking her face. I said, please, we don't want no pictures. We're trying to keep it respectful. My older sister said, we don't want any pictures, like no pictures. Then the cousin and her was like, oh, we were taking pictures yesterday. I said, okay, whatever, but today we don't want, like, everybody's here on, we don't want her on display like that. She gets upset. She's like, why y'all being like this? We're like, we're not being no way. We don't want my pictures of my sister. So what she does is she's on this side, and me and my sister on this side. She walks around whoever and pushes my sister. Like, she pushes my sister. And my sister said, yo, don't push me. So when my sister said, yo, don't push me, she starts attacking, and now we're fighting in the place with my sister.
So you're saying that she started the fight?
She started all of this, because we've been here peacefully with everybody. Even when we told everybody before, don't take no pictures, everybody felt how they felt, but we kept it respectful. Nobody antagonized nobody, because we've been here since 4. She just got here. Now she came with she was already pushing through everybody. My uncle said she pushed him. She was pushing my cousin. Everybody's saying that she walking through pushing her. So my sister said, yo, don't push me. And she gets upset and swings on my sister, so we all start, at first, initially, I wasn't in the fight. I was trying to break my sister up from it. But then I got hit, and we all just started going at it.
Right.
Now she's trying to make us the aggressor when everybody knows it was her. They're telling us, oh, we need to calm down, but she's the one that got everybody up like this. Right. She got scratched on her face or whatever, but that wasn't even me, because I don't even have nothing to scratch her.
Okay. All right. Okay, give me 1 second. Look, can I get your side of the story as far as what happened?
We were there at the casket. She came up and was starting to take pictures. My daughters asked her not to take pictures because that's the rule. We just don't want any pictures taken while she's in the casket. She says, why are you so cantankerous? That's all I heard her say. She had the phone like this. She said, why are you so cantankerous? And then she take time and walk around me and the other girl that was standing over there making noise and came over to my daughter. When I looked, she was going like this. That's all I saw. So I said, no, this can't go on. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Then I see the other two girls rushing in and they started fighting. That's all.
Okay.
Hey, did you take pictures of?
I did.
Oh, because if not, I was going to take pictures.
Where's the witness?
Right. Where's the lady?
Oh, here?
Yeah, please. That's all I need. Hi.
So what's going on today? What happened?
May, I actually can't, do you mind if we go over there? Yeah. I'm so like, yeah. I don't like, I've heard so much.
Let's
yeah.
Just,
so I just came with the grandmother, and I'm pretty sure that's the grandma.
Okay.
Her sister is cares for my mom. That's the only reason I'm here. I walked in and I just kind of sat down and was just sitting there, and all of a sudden I heard no pictures from her and the girl in the black and the red.
So black and red were saying no pictures?
Yeah. We told you no pictures, and the one in the black like completely went after her. And I couldn't.
Did she start at all?
Nothing. She actually.
Yeah, she's independent. She's not related to anybody. She doesn't
did
even
not,
know this lady.
and I don't even know who. I'm assuming one of them is the mom. I don't know which one over there, but I could care less who anybody is. It's you're at a goddamn funeral, like. And so anyway, she didn't reach. All she did was block her face. Didn't touch. I mean, I could see her, but then everybody, and then the lady in the black went after somebody else. It was the lady in the pink and somebody else. Like she started to charge, and then everyone kind of.
Yeah. So after these two started fighting her, obviously there was a big
everybody,
brawl.
I couldn't see anything. Yeah, but they were trying to get them up. But
let's focus on
whatever
else. Nobody said anything, so
right. Okay.
It is what it is. I got her information.
Okay, you got information.
I sent it to you.
And then also they're 43 as well.
No, I could get them.
Alright, yeah, you're gonna have 15 plus today.
I have no idea which one the mom or whatever, if either one is, but I can just tell you it was.
You saw both of them, right?
Yeah, they were yelling.
Red and black were fighting?
Yeah, they were together with the grandma.
Fighting.
But the one in the black, the one in the black is the one that went after her.
I'm gonna get a sworn statement.
Yeah, I know the red one was in the middle. They were all together. So I didn't doubt it. They went after her. I just didn't see it. I just saw the lady in the black go after her, the grandma. And the grandma never did anything except defend herself. So.
Okay.
Probable cause, visible injuries, consistent victim statement, independent witness Illinois v. Gates, 1983. The unrelated witness confirmed the victim did not strike first. Disinterested testimony is decisive under Beck v. Ohio, 1964.
All right.
Yeah, I'll see.
What's going on?
How you doing there?
She came in.
Who is she, first off?
She's a grandmother for my daughter, right? It's a lot of tension because she had my daughter died, okay? Right, so there's a lot of tension. But when they came in, we asked them not to take any pictures. She knew that we asked them not to take any pictures because they had a conversation with these two ladies about taking pictures. The first thing they come in and they taking selfies and carrying on. So they told them, please don't take no pictures. Exactly. So we was like, okay, have some reverence. So from that, she knew that she was coming with the intent that nobody's taking pictures. So she came up there to the casket, standing there at the casket, taking pictures. So my daughter said, please don't take any pictures. The sign is there, don't take any pictures. She says, why are you so cantankerous? And then she walked around all of us, because it was like 3 of us between her. She walked around all of us and started attacking my daughter. Her and her. The grandmother, the one that just walked away with her face bust up, she started attacking my daughter in the black dress with dread, and the one right here in the black.
So she was the one that hit first?
Yeah, she attacked because, like I said, she was at this side of she was at the end of the casket. My daughters were on the other end of the casket. Yeah. And she walked around me and the other girl and walked around and attacked the two of them.
Yeah.
So what happened, I believe what happened is when the crowd came in and they saw her pushing, because I really didn't see any hitting, I saw her reaching and pushing. So I tried to get in between. And then she came up now and it turned into a brawl because she saw that, I guess she wanted to defend her aunt, so it turned into a brawl. And then, you know, everybody, I don't know who got hit, whatever. She attacked first. Like, we were all here, nobody's doing any aggression, having any problem. And she came in and attacked her. She didn't have to do that.
Yeah, that's good. Stay back. Stay back.
Mercy, mercy, mercy.
That looks good.
I'm gonna give her 2 cups.
I don't even have nails to scratch my body.
Okay, so this is what we got.
Can somebody tell me what's going on?
I'm gonna explain everything to you in a second, all right?
Are you guys gonna arrest her also? Because she started it.
We'll explain everything.
That's kind of crazy if I get arrested and she don't
We're
get
gonna
arrested.
explain everything.
This is crazy. I'm gonna miss my daughter's funeral. This is crazy. Oh my God. Is she being arrested too? She's the one who started the fight. Oh my God. This is crazy. I cannot believe this. She's the one that started the fight.
Alright, we're going to adjust these cuffs a little bit just so you're comfortable, alright?
Big down in the middle of my daughter's funeral.
Come on, like,
Please don't arrest me. I'm gonna miss my baby.
don't start this, come on.
I'm gonna miss my baby's funeral. Oh my goodness.
You have any weapons on you?
No.
Sit down. Actually, go on the other side, come on.
Oh my God. Ouch. Oh, my knee, hold on. Oh, my knee.
Turn that way. Is these cuffs good? I mean, they're not going to be comfortable. They're cuffs, so I'm not just going to be real with you. Okay?
Just 343. I show 7 after 9 on the 38 Berkeley line.
Just hang tight for me, alright?
Okay.
You need some air conditioning?
Yes, please.
I'll blast you some AC, alright?
Yeah, you got all my 3.
Is there any way you can put it like in front of me? Because my arm.
I can't, I'm sorry. Per policy, I'm not allowed to, okay?
Okay. So will we be able to get out tonight?
That I'm not sure. We'll have to. I'll figure it out and I'll let you know, okay? All right, just hang tight, okay?
Mechanical restraint only. Proportionate under Graham v. Connor, 1989. No excessive force at any point. Officers B+. Witness secured. Arrest proportionate. Deduction. Black shirt not confirmed arrested on camera. Cooperative. Corroborated. 0 legal fault. Black shirt D primary aggressor. Felony exposure under 784-8. Red shirt D arrested on camera. Grief is context, not a defense. Lesson. Enforce a photography rule through staff or police, not force. Once contact is made, the original dispute becomes legally irrelevant. Let us know if there is a topic you would like us to cover. Thank you for watching.